Where was it? Is it here? Oh, there you are. If you click on this video, you're either about to build your own shed or you're thinking about buying one and you're trying to look everywhere for indicators on not to do it, on why to do it, and what's the best way to go about it. Also check out our new lobby area. That wall turned out pretty sick. There are 3 things that I like to share with you, and you can take this as guidelines when it comes to looking for sheds, looking for shed manufacturers, shed dealers, and at the same time doing it yourself. One of the biggest things to keep in mind is how labor intensive building a shed could be, depending on how big, specific storage and design that you like to add. And one of the things that most people underestimate is the tools that you need, and also they overlook how expensive they can be. And on that light, you can also spend hours and hours and hours trying to figure out the best tools for the job, what's the best brand on your nail gun, and like all the bells and whistles that they can bring. We built everything at the shop, and as you guys can see, we have most things streamlined, and we have specialized tools that allows us to do the job better and faster. At the same time, we're able to guarantee that the workmanship that's put on every single one of these sheds that we put out is going to be the same every time. And don't get me wrong, I know that some of you are very handy, you understand how the construction process goes, or you're choosing to do a weekend project. Right now, if that's you, more power to you. But here are 2 more points that you might miss by building it yourself. The materials to use. You have a plethora of materials and companies. Each of them have their own set. Hey, look who's here. What are you doing? What's up? This is one of our pets, by the way. There is a plethora of options out there, and every single company will have their features, their benefits, their warranties. That's one last thing that you have to worry about. As we have vetted many vendors, we've been in business for almost 30 years now. You can rest assured that we are providing the best, and we're getting the best warranties that are passed on to you. This last point is the one that gets overlooked the most. You may or may not have an inspiration board somewhere. You got your ideas from somewhere, but at the end of the day, it might not look like in the picture. Sadly, that happens often. We have a 3D builder that actually helps you pick materials, colors, design itself, and that's the point I want to make. We have a lot of options to choose from. This shed right here turned out really pretty. Now, they've done a few things differently. Instead of the traditional barn doors, just like that one, they have gone with an actual door. And the windows are a few of the upgrades that they have added. We've gone with a metal roof right there, and it just turned out really pretty. We have so many options when it comes to colors for your siding and trim. Now let's go and check it out inside. This thing is actually beautiful. As you can see, this one is insulated. It's got that radiant barrier that makes this building a lot cooler when it comes to the hotter months. And you can see too, we have the electrical package added on this one. You got a light there, you got your box, and you have 4 outlets and a switch on this one. And that's not all, because we also have other styles like your traditional barn style. And here's one of my personal favorites, the farmhouse style garden shed. This is really pretty. These are things that often get overlooked whenever you're looking for options. I hope these are very helpful to you. And if you have any questions for me or for the team, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments. I would love to answer some of those. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.